Hi, good afternoon. My name is Mackenzie Gibson. I work here at Hendricks Subaru South Point in Durham. Today we're going to be going over your Subaru StarLink system. The first thing I always like to point out are your two major buttons that are going to be included with your StarLink package. Just right up here, you're going to have your red SOS button, which actually uses satellite signal instead of cellular signal. So if you're out camping or anything like that where you don't have great cell service, this will contact emergency services no problem for you. Next to that is going to be your emergency roadside assistance. That one is there that uses satellite location. So if you do have like a blown tire or out of gas or anything like that, you can press this button here and we will be sending a tow truck to your location and they'll know exactly where you are from the satellite location. Another one that I love to go over that is my favorite for the StarLink program, I even have it on my Impreza myself, is actually going to be your Subaru StarLink app here. So on the app, you're going to have your remote start button that's labeled right there. Once you press the button, it's going to ask for a 4-digit code, or it's going to ask for your Face ID so you can unlock it and it'll send a signal to your car to start it. Along with that, you can change the temperature if you have the 2022 Outback or 2022 Legacy, as theirs is integrated into the touchscreen. So you can change your temperature, you can change your defrost on those as well. Along with that, you can lock and unlock your car. Again, it'll ask you for your 4-digit code or for your facial recognition. There's tons of other settings as well, including locate vehicle. Maybe you went to a stadium or something like that and lost your car in the parking lot somewhere. You can actually locate your vehicle and it will give you GPS instructions on how far the walking distance is from it and exactly where it's parked with, again, a satellite camera. And the last thing I always like to go over is going to be your horn and light section right here. That one's pretty neat. It kind of helps out when somebody's maybe going near your car and you don't trust them near it. You can actually hit that horn and lights button there. It'll turn on your horn and your lights at the same time, and that way whoever's near the car will back away thinking that the alarm system has triggered. Subaru StarLink is a great package to have. For all new car owners, it's half off on the day of your purchase. So instead of being $199, you get it for $99, and that's going to be for 3 years for you. One-time payment for 3 years, you're paying less than $10 a month for it. So go ahead and stop on by at Hendricks Subaru South Point. Let's get your StarLink activated today.